Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an oatmeal gel toner. I really love this stuff. It's super great when you have dry, irritated skin and just makes a really nice hydrating layer. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need is some distilled water, some old-fashioned oats, a empty, clean, and sterilized jar, and also a clean, sterilized dropper bottle. This is optional, but I just think it makes it easier to use the gel. For the first step, you're just going to scoop some of the oats into the bottom of the jar, and this isn't precise or anything. I'm just filling up the bottom of the jar so that there's about an inch of oats. And now we're going to pour the distilled water over the oats. Again, this is not precise. I just want to make sure that the oats are covered, and I usually have about 1 to 2 centimeters more water than the oats. Alright, so I transferred it over into the dropper bottle, and this is the consistency that I get after leaving it in the fridge for about 24 hours. I prefer the gel-like consistency, so I usually leave it in that long, but if you don't mind a more watery toner, then you can just leave it in for like 3 hours and use it then. Alright, so you'll want to use this after you cleanse, and I usually use my jade roller, but you can also use your hands. And you'll want to apply around 1 to 5 layers, just depending on how dehydrated your skin is at the moment. I found this to make my skin really plump the next day, especially if I seal it in immediately with my moisturizer. Yeah, so this has helped me a lot. I hope it helps you guys too, and thanks for watching my video.